today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a login page using Webflow. If you're new to Webflow or simply looking to add a login feature to your site, this tutorial will guide you through each step with clarity and ease. Let's start by opening your project in Webflow. Webflow's interface allows you to visually design and develop at the same time, ensuring a seamless experience as you work on your website. Once your project is open, navigate to the Designer section. This is your primary workspace where you can add, design, and modify elements to bring your vision to life. Next, click on the Add Element panel. This is where you can access a wide array of elements to incorporate into your site. From here, drag a container element onto your page. Think of this container as a box that holds all the components of your login form, keeping them organized and aligned. Within this container, drag and drop a form block element. This block is the foundation of your login form, providing the basic structure that you'll customize to suit your needs. Initially, the form block will display default fields such as name, email, and a submit button. However, since we're building a login form, we need to make a few adjustments. Begin by renaming the name field to email or username. This allows for flexibility, giving users the choice to log in using either their email address or a username. Following this, change the label of the email field to password. This alteration is crucial as it transforms this field into the placeholder for password input. The next modification involves renaming the submit button to log in. This step might seem minor, but using clear, action-oriented language is essential in guiding user interaction with your form. With the structural changes in place, it's time to style your form. Head over to the Style tab located in the right panel. Here you can unleash your creativity and ensure that the login form aligns visually with your site's design. Adjust the inputs and button to match your branding, considering aspects such as font style, color schemes, and spacing for a polished look. Once you're satisfied with the design, utilize the preview button, which you'll find represented by a play icon in the top left corner of the page. This handy feature lets you see your login form in action, ensuring everything functions and appears just as you envisioned before it goes live. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily create a login page in Webflow. Whether you're building a simple site or a complex platform, implementing a login page can significantly enhance user engagement and security. Thanks for watching and happy designing.